When we look to the stars, we're not just gazing at distant lights, we're imagining new possibilities, new frontiers, and the next great leap for humankind. We're also looking to the future, a future where Europe charts its own course in space, driven by innovation, ambition, and a shared vision for what lies beyond our planet. That future is Ariane 6, Europe's bold new rocket, designed for a new era of space exploration and built to meet the challenges of tomorrow's missions. As the successor to Ariane 5, Ariane 6 is Europe's answer to a rapidly changing, competitive launch market, where reliability and adaptability are more important than ever. It's modular, flexible, and cost-effective, capable of launching everything from massive satellites to swarms of CubeSats, supporting commercial, scientific, and governmental missions alike. Built by a coalition of European nations, Ariane 6 is a symbol of unity and ambition, assembled in French Guiana with components from across the continent, reflecting the best of European engineering and cooperation. This rocket isn't just an upgrade, it's a reinvention, using advanced manufacturing and streamlined production to cut costs and boost launch rates, while embracing cutting-edge technologies that set new standards for efficiency. The goal: world-class performance at competitive prices, ensuring Europe's independent access to space and strengthening its role as a global leader in the space industry. Ariane 6 is more than metal and fuel. It's a testament to European collaboration and vision, a project that brings together thousands of minds and hands from every corner of the continent. As we enter an era of lunar missions and vast satellite constellations, Ariane 6 is Europe's essential tool for staying at the forefront of space exploration, ready to launch the dreams of a new generation. The journey to the stars is just beginning, and Europe is ready to lead, pushing boundaries, inspiring the world, and reaching higher than ever before. Ariane 6's journey began with a spectacular debut in July 2024, marking a new era for European space exploration and technology. The anticipation was palpable as engineers, scientists, and space enthusiasts from around the world watched history unfold. The rocket thundered into the sky, launching from the renowned Kourou spaceport in French Guiana, a site chosen for its proximity to the equator and its legacy of successful missions. On its maiden voyage, Ariane 6 deployed a suite of small satellites, flawlessly demonstrating its innovative design, reliability, and ability to deliver diverse payloads to orbit. Its second mission, in March 2025, carried the advanced CSO-3 spy satellite for the French military, further showcasing Ariane 6's precision, strategic value, and importance for European defense. The third launch, in August 2025, sent the METOP SGA-1 weather satellite into orbit, equipping Europe with cutting-edge climate monitoring tools and enhancing our understanding of Earth's changing environment. Each mission so far has demonstrated Ariane 6's remarkable versatility. From launching commercial payloads to supporting national security and advancing environmental monitoring for the continent. These early successes have inspired confidence across Europe and beyond, filling the launch manifest with a growing list of future missions and partnerships. Ariane 6 has firmly established itself as Europe's gateway to space, ready to serve scientific, commercial, and governmental needs for decades to come. The era of Ariane 6 is truly underway, ushering in a bold new chapter for European spaceflight. In space, autonomy isn't abstract, it's essential. Without its own rocket, Europe would be dependent on foreign launchers, risking its ability to control communications, weather monitoring, and defense. The retirement of Ariane 5 and loss of access to Russian Soyuz rockets exposed this vulnerability. Ariane 6 restores Europe's independence, ensuring satellites launch on European terms, from European soil. The program sustains thousands of high-tech jobs and drives innovation across the continent. Ariane 6 is an investment in Europe's technological future and strategic sovereignty. It enables Europe to pursue its own scientific, commercial, and security goals without compromise. With Ariane 6, Europe is not just a passenger in space, but a leader. Ariane 6 and SpaceX's Falcon 9 are rivals, but their philosophies differ. SpaceX's Falcon 9 is partially reusable, slashing costs and enabling rapid, frequent launches. Ariane 6 is expendable, prioritizing reliability and precision, but must build a new rocket for each mission. This makes SpaceX more competitive on price and cadence, pushing Europe to develop its own reusable technologies for the future. Yet, Ariane 6's reignitable Vinci upper stage offers unique flexibility, delivering multiple satellites to different orbits in a single flight. While SpaceX leads on cost, Ariane 6 excels in reliability and complex mission profiles. Both rockets have their strengths, ensuring a dynamic and competitive global launch market. The race is about more than speed, it's about capability and trust. In rocketry, faster isn't just about how quickly a rocket streaks through the sky. It's about how often you can launch and how reliably you can repeat that process. The pace of launches is a crucial factor in today's space industry, where demand for satellite deployment and scientific missions is higher than ever before. SpaceX's reusability allows for rapid-fire launches, sometimes several in a single week. Their innovative approach has redefined what's possible, making frequent launches almost routine and pushing the boundaries of turnaround time between missions. Ariane 6, as an expendable rocket, targets 9 to 10 launches per year. A big step up for Europe, but still behind SpaceX's relentless pace. Yet, this increase marks a significant evolution for European access to space. This doesn't make Ariane 6 slower in terms of performance or capability, but it does mean a more measured, deliberate launch cadence, with each mission carefully planned and executed. For many customers, reliability and mission assurance matter more than sheer speed. When launching irreplaceable satellites or scientific payloads, confidence in a successful outcome is everything. Arianespace's proven track record makes Ariane 6 a trusted choice for high-value, one-of-a-kind missions, where failure simply isn't an option. Precision and dependability are its hallmarks, with every detail scrutinized to ensure mission success and client satisfaction. In the end, the right rocket is the one that delivers, safely, on time, and on target, meeting the unique needs of every mission. Ariane 6 is built to be that dependable workhorse, ready to serve Europe's ambitions in space for years to come. Ariane 6 is a vital tool in Europe's fight against climate change. It launches Copernicus and METOP satellites, our eyes in the sky, tracking weather, greenhouse gases, and environmental changes. The METOP SGA-1 launch in 2025 provided Europe with twice the precision in climate data, improving forecasts and saving lives. These satellites monitor everything from melting ice caps to deforestation, informing global climate policy. Without Ariane 6, Europe's ability to lead in environmental monitoring would be at risk. The rocket is essential infrastructure for planetary stewardship. It delivers the instruments that help us understand and protect our fragile world. In the age of climate crisis, the view from orbit has never been more important. Space is now a critical domain for national security. Ariane 6 gives Europe the power to launch defense satellites independently, safeguarding communications, surveillance, and intelligence. The CSO-3 launch in 2025 proved Ariane 6's role in deploying sensitive military assets with precision and trust. This capability ensures Europe's strategic autonomy and collective security. In a contested space environment, the ability to replace or replenish satellites is vital. Ariane 6 guarantees Europe's access to the high ground of space, on its own terms. Security in the 21st century depends on it. With its first flights complete, Ariane 6 is now fully operational and in high demand. Over 30 launches are already booked, reflecting strong market confidence. The rocket will deploy Galileo navigation satellites, Copernicus Earth observers, and commercial payloads for customers worldwide. Its reignitable upper stage allows for complex missions, including deploying satellite constellations in multiple orbits. Each successful launch builds Ariane 6's reputation for reliability and flexibility. Europe is already investing in reusable rocket technology for the future, with projects like Themis paving the way. Ariane 6 is the workhorse for today, and the foundation for tomorrow's innovations. The story of European spaceflight is just getting started. Ariane 6 is Europe's declaration. We will not be bystanders in the new space age. It's a symbol of ambition, innovation, and unity, securing Europe's independent role in the cosmos. The rocket will launch satellites that protect our planet, guide our journeys, and connect our world. Each mission reaffirms Europe's commitment to science, security, and progress. The challenges are real, but so is the determination to succeed. Ariane 6 is the embodiment of Europe's will to reach for the stars on its own terms. The sky is not the limit, it's the beginning. Europe's journey to the stars has only just begun.